As mental institutions are torn down across the United States and replaced by luxury apartments, I worry the evidence of the magnitude of the mass warehousing of devalued people will be lost for future generations. There is something about the weight, the aura, the sheer measure of these buildings that must be experienced in order to fathom the folly of human warehousing as a social policy. Danvers State Hospital is not far away from my home in Massachusetts. The Kirkbride-style asylum was finished in 1878 and was meant to accommodate 450 people. In time, the census swelled to 2,600 people. Danvers State Hospital closed in 1990 as the once grand Kirkbride building continued its decline. In 2006, the institution was demolished, preserving only the facade. In 2008, high-end apartments and condos replaced it. And now you can sit poolside at Kirkbride. I filmed a drive around the building before they tore it all down.